Thermal Research and Development today, and we're going to be installing the new 3-inch exhaust system on the Ford Explorer ST. Now with the stock exhaust system removed, we're going to bolt up the front A pipes. We're going to do the passenger side first. I'm going to slip a 2.5-inch band clamp over the front of this pipe. Take it far enough back so that notch is completely exposed. Slide it up over the catalytic converter pipe. Slide that notch over the index post. To support the pipe, we're going to bolt up this clamp, the hardware facing outside, snug it up. Same scenario on the driver's side. Slide it up over the indexing notch, support the pipe, tighten it up. I'm going to install the 3-inch midsection. It's a 3-chambered muffler. Take these 3-inch double compression clamps and slide them over the head pipes. We'll leave the hardware outbound and the nuts down. We're going to lubricate these 2 hanger holes. Before we slide these clamps into place, we're going to put a reference mark 1.5 inches down. Make sure we're clamping on centers. I'm going to snug this up, realizing we may still need to leave some adjustments. Along good. I'm going to install the 3-inch axle pipe for the passenger side first. I'm going to put our 1.5-inch indicator line. Slide our double compression clamp on. Hardware outbound and facing down. Lubricate our hanger hole. We'll snug this clamp up with the understanding that more adjustments will have to be made. We're going to duplicate this process on the driver's side. I'm going to bring this hardware inbound, nuts facing down as well. We're now going to reinstall these rear hangers on both the passengers and the driver's side. We're going to install the passenger side Helmholtz rear chamber, following our same process. Hardware outbound, nuts down. We're going to lubricate our hanger. Snug this clamp up. Understanding more adjustment will be to have. We'll repeat this process on the driver's side. I'm going to set a level on this front muffler and adjust it as needed. Repeat that process on both driver's side and passenger side muffler. The longer tip goes inbound. Bring the hardware inbound, nut down. At this point, we're going to put a level on the tip, get them parallel with the ground. We're going to measure the tips outbound to make sure the passenger side and the driver's side are equal distance on the bumper.